Your Honor, now I will request the Honorable Judge Wasame to ask his questions.
Judge, I wish you well. I have no questions for you.
No. You must ask one or two, please. You and me, make this place happy. Why would you want to back out?
I think we will respect Judge Wasame's position.
I only missed the bit of my good friend. He may want to deny me at the hour of need, but we've always been friends. I should have been there. Next time we come to the commission to the commission for this kind of exercise, let's have you my good friend, Commissioner Wasame. Give me an opportunity also to thank those who have been with us in this matter, particularly my referees. They added the references to me. That was very, very kind and very accurate. I would thank them. My global fans, fare thee well. Another moment will come, and we shall be there. Thank you so much, good commissioners. Thank you so much, Chair of the Commission. Thank you, and may God gladly and mightily bless you all. Bless the judiciary of the Republic of Kenya. Start with the Republic of Kenya. Oh, God's grace and blessings. The judiciary of the Republic of Kenya. Every other grace and blessings. The Judicial Service Commission. All the time. What we don't remember when we come here is that we shall always need the judiciary. We shall need the JESC. And we must always be very, very careful how we address ourselves in circumstances like these ones. Thank you so much. It's been a great honor. Welcome.